Welcome back to the channel, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious, no-bake mango cheesecake. If this is the first time you're watching this channel, just to let you know you're welcome and I'm happy to have you. And please do remember to like, share, subscribe, definitely leave positive comment. And thanks for all my new subscribers. Let's get into the video. So to make this lovely cheesecake, we're going to need some digestive biscuit. So you can smash it up into a bag, but I'm going to use this machine because it's easier and faster. So I'll be using a digestive biscuit, but you can use whatever you want. It's personal. And we're going to get a bowl. Just going to put the biscuits in it. I'll probably use about half of this. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to pour, I have some melted butter. I'm just going to go ahead, pour the melted butter in this. Then I'm just going to combine it. After that, just get your suitable cake pan or whatever you're going to put it in. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to line the bottom of this. So I'm just going to use my weight just to press it down like so. And then now, after this, I'm going to put it in the fridge. So at this point, I'm going to get my mango ready. So I'll be using fresh mango. I'm just going to take the skin off. So with some of these, I'm gonna blend it to make the mango puree. I'm just gonna add a bit of water to this to help the blending process. So what I'll be doing now, this is, as I said, making the mango puree. So the mango puree is ready. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this in a pot and I'm gonna bring it to a boil. So the next step is to work on your mixture. So I'm using cream cheese. And because of the size I'm doing, I'll be using about 2 cream cheese in this. I'll be adding some sugar to this. So this is some, I'm adding some sugar onto this, and I'm going to put some in the mango puree. I'll be adding some vanilla also. So with the mango puree, add a bit of sugar to it, and you can add some citrus to it also. So with this, I'm just going to soften this a bit. You can use a mixer, but I'm just using my hand for those who don't have the equipment to do so. I'll be using some vanilla yogurt in this, but this is personal preference. You can use whipped cream or double cream, whatever you have. So I'll be using my whisk in this. At this point, I'm going to pour in some gelatin in it. So that should be enough. And make sure you incorporate this properly. Get everything combined together. So now this is ready. So we're going to move this aside, and we're going to put our container down. So the mangoes we cut up, we're just going to lay it in the bottom, spread it out around. So now you're going to pour your mixture in. So now this is ready. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put this inside the fridge for it to relax a bit and set and then I'll be working on the topping to finish off the mango coulis topping. So for the coulis, I have some gelatin here. I'm just going to put some gelatin in it, and then I'll give it a stir. With this now, I'm going to put it back in the fridge.